Okay, now that we have added the skin morph modifier, and we added the bone that geometry is related to, we want to create the morph stage. Okay, so click on the bone first. That will be the workflow with this cylinder selected, right? So that you get the skin morph modifier selected. And we're going to scroll down to the local property section, and then we're going to create a morph. Morph is a state of the geometry, and let's call it bulge. Bulge. Okay. Oh, I forgot to rotate first. Hold on. Oh, I actually tied it up to the wrong bone. So let's remove this. It should have been the other bone. So let's go remove bone. And in this case, what I'm gonna do is the screen capture software sometimes does things. Let's see. There. Okay. We're gonna rotate bone 2. Okay. So we're gonna do the flexing position, like right there. We're going to create the deformation for this one. Okay, so go back to that one. That cylinder, that's the one that's going to deform, and the bone we're going to add is the second one, this one here, so that we understand that when that one is in that position, this one is going to bulge. Okay, that's the whole purpose. So go add bone and select bone 2. Okay, so which is the one that's bent over here. And once we got that, click on bone 2 over here in the parameters, and that will activate the local property section on the morph. Okay, so go create morph, and you said, but now nothing happens. We're going to create it bulge. You can barely see, but I hope I typed it right. And then go edit, so that we can edit the points, and go to the move tool and just create a little bit of a deformation. You can use the where is it, the soft selection, and you can change the radius here to make it more or less what you want, but you can play a little bit more with it, increasing or decreasing how much it's pulling on the rest of the geometry. Okay, once you're done with that, you already told it how it's going to react, how we're going to morph that geometry when this bone is in that position. Turn the edit option to off, and let's test it. Let's go to the second joint. Goodness, when the screen modifier software is on, sometimes I just can't click on anything. There you go. Select the rotate tool, and it's bulging. Okay, so now from this point on, what you need to do then is set your keys. So go back to 0, frame 0, turn the set key on, option to on, and set a key over here with the key icon, and maybe 1 second later, 30 frames later, you can do the bulge, and set another key, and let's say 2 seconds later, the arm goes down, and set another key. So then once you play it, you're going to see that the muscle flexes.